The fast man. There is a fast man. The man is very fast. He weighs 500 pounds, 277 kilos. When he walks, he always gets tired. The very fast man wants to lose weight. In fact, he does not just him. He must lose weight or will die. The fast man is scared. He doesn't want to die. So he started a diet. For 1 month, he eats only once. Of course, the once tastes terrible. But the man really wants to lose weight. Unfortunately, after 1 month, he is still very fast. He doesn't lose any weight. Not 1 pound. The fast man is frustrated. He decides to exercise. Every day he walks 12 miles, 20 kilometers. Every day. He's very tired. In fact, he is exhausted. But after 1 month, the man still very fast. Oh no, he is extremely frustrated. He decides to give up. He goes to a restaurant. He wants to eat everything because he's so frustrated. At the restaurant, he meets a beautiful woman. She likes him. He likes her. They begin to date. Every day, the woman cooks healthy food for the fast man. His new girlfriend makes a difference in his life. The fast man loses weight. After 6 months, he weighs only 117 pounds, 77 kilos. He's thin and he has a wonderful girlfriend. The man thrills the man and his girlfriend approach him.